Congratulations, Angelica. How do you feel after you sing, Angelica? Congratulations. I'm proud of you and mommy's father. I will be happy to see this video, huh? Maybe, yeah. That's So here we are at Mother Day School. After the United Nations celebration, they are going to celebrate Angelica's 9th birthday. Supposed to be 29, but today is the 24th, so they're going to celebrate with the rest of the teachers and classmates. Okay? Here are Faith. Ito, tsaka ito mga teacher at tsaka mga personnel dito. Ayan. Personnel, ayan, okay? Let's sing happy birthday. Ako rin. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Angelica. Happy birthday to you. Bakit walang candle? Ano ba naman? Ito. Ulit ha. Come on. Teacher Marie, please. May cha-cha-cha. Ayan. Then kung mag-video at saka ano mamaya na. Para danahan nyo na lang sila doon. Hindi, tawagan nyo. Ay, Jenny, birthday rin pala ni Jenny din. Ayan. Angelica, ha? Alam mo. Yan, si Gio, si Trisha, si Carla, si Faith, si Carla, at saka, nasa si Lily, best friend ni Angelica. Okay, ready? Again, mabilis lang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear Angelica. Happy birthday to you. Blow your candle. Okay. Ano na? Attack. Come on, let's eat. Attack. Nakabit yung ano niya eh. Gusto niya. Okay, John's going to cut. Tulungan ka na lang ni teacher, parang alam nila magkasya sa ilan 15 tao. Dami mong guess, 15. Hindi mo na nailagay yung ano mo. Hindi naman ikuko ilalagay sa pita. Baka may over eh. Okay, si Pao. Kinder na ako na. Si teacher.
Oh, Dion.
Okay. Okay yun. At without you, hindi naman magaganda yung program nila. Si Nini. Sino ka, Gio? You like it, Gio? Carla? How's the food? You like it? Angelica's mom prepared that one. Tagal naman anak na dumidila-dila na rito yung mga teacher mo. Sabi, kita-kita, ayan o. Ayan o. Ayan, lalo na si Miss Buntis o. Ayan si Miss Buntis o. Yung baby kasi gumagalaw na, nakakaamoy na yan.
Gusto na nito.
Oo, yan. Paglabas niyan, tinan mo sumasayaw na rin yan. Okay, Angelica. So Angelica, what will you say to all your teachers? Ha? Thank you po sa pag-intindi sa'yo na noong unang araw mo, iyak ka ng iyak, gusto mo umuwi. You don't wanna go to school anymore. Thank you from all the family, to all the teachers. Everything is aching, yeah. And without any reason, she will just say, I have stomach ache, ano pa, headache, and all parts of the body, no more, except the hair. Sasabihin niya pa ata, I have a hair ache. Oh, again, Angelica, you stand here with the rest of the Teacher Rose. Come here, ha? You eat also with us. Come here.
Come.
Gio, ano, Carla, postpone niyo muna yan. Balik lang kayo. Muna natin para dire-dire.
Classmates mo na din.
Apat lang na, saan sila? Ano, umuwi na? Oo, yan, best friend niya yan eh.
Ay, wala.
Oh, with the teacher now. Teacher Tin. Advisor, yan. Yung bonggang-bonggang advisor.
Bongga.
Oh, you 1, 2, 3, say bongga.
Bongga.
Oh, Teacher Marie naman. At saka, teacher, samahan niyo naman. Yung lahat na kayo. Yan.
Say bongga.
Nasaan si Bo? Nasaan yung isang pinakabongga? Ba't nawala? Si Yubi. Lily, join them again. Okay. Here's Angelica celebrating her 29th birthday on the 29th, but we have already this 24th and UN day. And here are the teachers with her and classmates. Video to, kapakigalaw niyo mga kamay niyo. O hindi picture to. Magsalita kayo. Kumanta kayo kung gusto niyo. Okay? Angelica smile. Okay, ready? Say thank you, Angelica. Happy birthday, baby. Okay. Ang classroom ni Angelica for today. Here are her classmates. Carla, Faith, Angelica. Smile na rin. Ay, dapat naiiyak. Teacher team.
You have all you dream of, and I wish you
Teacher
joy
Rose. Ayan na.
and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love.
Ito lang nakalimutan kong name ni Ma'am.
Teacher Chris.
Chris, ito nakakasagot lagi kasi kayo lagi kayong mga late eh. Siya lang naman ang umaga na sumasagot sa akin, ano? Pag may, ano? Siya na ba yun? Diba? Meron talaga?
Mama,
Ah, ah.